This is an instructional video about zero exponents. Zero exponents are probably the easiest exponent problem to do because the answer is always 1. For example, the problem 7 to the 0 power. 7 is our base number, 0 is our exponent. The answer is 1. The same process can also work with variables. If I have x as my base number and 0 as my exponent, the answer is still 1. It works with large numbers. For example, 795 to the 0 power equals 1. It also works with fractions. 1/2 is the base number to the 0 power equals 1. It also works with negatives. -3 to the 0 power equals 1. It is a positive 1, not a negative 1. Negative exponents change into the positive. Negative with a 0 exponent changes into a positive. Now, because a lot of times those problems are too simple, your challenge problems are going to look something like this. 916 minus 852 to the 0 power. Well, we know anything to the 0 power is 1, so the 916 stays the same. It does not have an exponent. The 852 to the 0 power becomes a 1. And then we can solve the problem. 916 minus 1 is 915. Number 7. We have the problem 97 times 31 to the 0 power. Again, anything to the 0 power is 1, so the 97 stays the same. It does not have a 0 exponent. 31 to the 0 power is 1. 97 times 1 is 97. Here we have 4 to the 5th power raised to the 0 power. Now this is kind of combining a couple of our skills. In the last video on raising exponents, our shortcut was to multiply the exponents together. 5 times 0 is 0. Keeping the base number the same, we would have 4 to our new exponent 0, the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is 1. And the last problem, 0 to the 0 power. It does not change even though the base number is 0. Anything with a 0 exponent is 1.